Welcome back to another Durst product overview. Thanks for joining me. So today we're looking at the BCSA range. They're fully automatic switching chargers. Now what does that mean? It means that it uses an algorithm to work out the different levels of the battery, and the different levels are obviously a float, there's a absorption, and there's also a bulk rate, which it works out what the battery is and will then go ahead and charge it accordingly so it gives it the right amount of charge. The range we're looking at today are the 12 volt range. You'll see it on page 10 of the brochure there, and also you'll be in the link description field for the actual link to the brochure online. We're looking at a range of these. These are 6 volt or 12 volt. There's a range of amps you can get on this particular model. Today to show you, we've got the 4 amp, we've got a 10 amp, we've got a 16 amp, and we've got a 30 amp. And we've got a couple exclusive independent chargers that do specific charging. We'll talk about in a second. Why is this such an incredible charger? Not only is it all alloy heatsink, beautifully designed, but it's actually a smart automatic switch mode built into this. And what that means is these chargers work out what the algorithm works out what the battery is requiring. It'll either do a bulk charge if it's super empty, then go to absorption charge, or the third option in that algorithm is a float charge. So it protects the battery, knows exactly what it's doing, and does it very cleverly. It's a set and forget. You just turn it on, walk away, it'll fully charge a battery, and then it will leave it till it gets to a certain setting. The algorithm will notify that and will recharge it again. So this is the kind of charger you'll just sit and forget. Comes with its leads. It's an incredible setup. You've got a plug on here which incorporates either, you can't go wrong, you just plug in the red on the black, black on the red. You've got your battery terminal on the actual clamps, or you can option for a permanent setup, so that you attach the battery and you have the plug just to plug it in when you need to charge it for those cars that are left for a long period of time. It is a brilliant setup. All the leads come with these particular chargers, and they are a very high quality unit. Now let's talk about the different chargers. The first one is the BCS 1204. The way you read this is the 12 is a 12 volt and the 4 is a 4 amp. The second one we have here is an independent charger for the LiPos. Now the reason the LiPos need a different charging capability is the way it works. It doesn't fully charge the LiPo under the BCSA range, but this particular one, the LiPo EP04, will charge it to 100%, so it's designed for a LiPo battery. We also have the gel battery technology charger, which does specifically the gel batteries. So those are exclusively designed to fully charge the gel and the lithium batteries. The other ones here, obviously you've got your big 30 amp charger here. They're just beautiful. They've got a screen on the back showing you, obviously when you turn on, it charges with a red light, and then when the charge is activated, it goes to orange and then green on fully charged. At that point, it puts into control mode where it will monitor that battery and keep an eye on it for you. Brilliant designed, really high quality, and these are the must for the one-stop shop for the best battery charging solution for your cars, domestic or commercial aspects. They really are an amazing product. And these are full alloy heatsink on all 4 sides, crimson finished. They are a super smart charger. You have the screens on the back of the chargers to show you the level, as well as the smaller LiPo has the screen. The small Geltec doesn't have the screen, it has the lights on the front. It is an awesome setup. This is probably one of the most robust, high quality charging units you need for your battery situation for your car, domestic or commercial use. Durst is the leading manufacturer of the industrial, automotive, mining and charging diagnostic equipment industry. They've been around since 1918, built here and designed in Australia. Thank you so much for watching the range of BCSA range of chargers from Durst, a name you can depend on. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.